Now let us discuss the next form, which is equations reducible to homogeneous differential equation form. Once again, what will be dealing here? We will be dealing here with equations which are not in homogeneous equation form, but on proper substitutions we can reduce them to homogeneous form. So what we have to basically see here is we have to see the substitutions, the proper substitutions using which we can convert any equation to homogeneous equation form, and then we know कि उसके आगे हमें कैसे solve करना है. Once the equation is in homogeneous form, we can easily reduce it to variable separable form by substituting y equals to vx or x equals to vy depending upon the nature of the equation, and then we can solve the question. So right now let us see what are the substitutions using which we can convert such equations to homogeneous form. Let us say we have a differential equation of the form dy by dx equals to ax plus by plus c upon a1x plus b1y plus c1, such that a upon a1 is not equals to b upon b1. हमने कंडीशन क्यों लिए? Just to make sure that these two equations are consistent. In order to make sure, we have said that a upon a1 is not equals to b upon b1. Now, how to convert this equation to homogeneous differential equation form? In order to convert this equation to homogeneous differential equation form, substitute x equals to, let's say, capital X plus h and y equals to capital Y plus k. Perfect. So we can write dy by dx would be equal to dy by dx. This guy would be equals to a x plus h plus b y plus k plus c upon a1 x plus h plus b1 y plus k plus c1, or we can write this would be equals to ax plus by plus ah plus bk plus c upon a1x plus b1y plus a1h plus b1k plus c1. Okay, so we have substituted x by x plus h and y by capital Y plus k, and on substituting we got that our dy by dx now is equals to this equation. अगर हमें इससे homogeneous differential equation form में reduce करना है तो I want this equation, this complete function to be a function of y by x, और इसे y by x का function बनाने के लिए हमें इन constant terms को remove करना पड़ेगा. Perfect. क्योंकि अगर मैं इस इक्वेशन को x से डिवाइड करूं तो आई विल गेट a अपॉन b y बाय x प्लस दिस कंप्लीट कांस्टेंट डिवाइडेड बाय x. तो अगर मैं इस टर्म को जीरो कर दूं तो मैं दिस फंक्शन वुड बी अ फंक्शन ऑफ y बाय x. सो मतलब इस इक्वेशन को होमोजेनियस इक्वेशन फॉर्म में रिड्यूस करने के लिए हमें इन दो कांस्टेंट्स को जीरो करना पड़ेगा. सो हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे हम h और k की ऐसी वैल्यूज लेंगे जिससे ये दो कांस्टेंट्स जीरो मत जाए. मतलब हाउ विल यू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ h एंड k? The value of h and k would be such that ah plus bk plus c would be 0 and a1h plus b1k plus c1 would be equals to 0. We will use these two conditions to find the value of h and k, और हम substitutions ही ऐसा करेंगे कि ये दो constant 0 हो जाए. Once these two are 0, so we will get my dy by dx is equals to ah is equal to ax plus by upon a1x plus b1y, or we can say this would be a plus by by x plus a1 plus b1 y by x. This would be my dy by dx. Now I can say that my dy by dx is a function of x upon y or y by x, and hence it is a homogeneous differential equation. अब homogeneous differential equation तो आगे कैसे solve करेंगे? We will substitute y by x as v and then we'll convert it to variable separable form, and then this equation can be solved. So basic thing is कि if we have a differential equation of this form, that is ax plus by plus c divided by a1x plus b1y plus c1, such that the two equations are consistent, which means a upon a1 is not equals to b upon b1. Solve करने का तरीका क्या होगा? Substitute x by x plus h and y by y plus k. And what are the value of h and k? H and k are such that ah plus bk plus c equals to 0 and a1h plus b1k plus c1 equals to 0. Once these two terms are 0, so our equation reduces to this form, which is dy by dx is equals to ax plus by upon a1x plus b1y, which is a homogeneous differential equation. और इसके आगे तो हम जानते ही हैं कि क्वेश्चन को कैसे सॉल्व करना चाहिए. Now this is the first case. Now the second case would be, what if the two equations are inconsistent, that is a upon a1 is equals to b upon b1. So let us see that case even. I hope सभी ने नोट डाउन कर लिया होगा पूरा. Can I erase? Okay. So this was the first case, and the way to solve this was substitute x by x plus h, y by y plus k, such that ah plus bk plus c equals to 0 and a1h plus b1k plus c1 equals to 0. Now let us consider the second case. Here again we have this differential equation, dy by dx is equals to ax plus by plus c upon a1x plus b1y plus c1, and the two equations now are inconsistent, which means a upon a1 is equals to b upon b1, and let us say this is equals to some constant 1 upon lambda. Okay, now this is what we know. So इस equation को ऐसे solve करना चाहिए. Now a upon a1 is equals to b upon b1 is equals to 1 upon lambda. So can I write this as a1 lambda? I can write a1 as a lambda. So I can write this as ax plus by plus c is equal to a lambda x plus b lambda y plus c. Perfect. Or again this as ax plus by plus c upon lambda ax plus by plus c. This is equals to my dy by dx. अब बताइए इस इक्वेशन को कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? Does this reminds you of something? इसको सॉल्व करना हम ऑलरेडी सीख चुके हैं. तो अब आप मुझे बताइएगा कि हम इस इक्वेशन को कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे. This is very easy. We have already discussed this. Tell me, how can we solve equation of this form? Tell me just. It's very easy. We have already discussed this. हमने इस पे बहुत सारे questions भी solve किए हैं. This can be reduced to perfect. This can be reduced to variable separable form. And what is the substitution we will apply? We have it is in the form of ax plus by. So the substitution would be perfect. We will substitute ax plus by as b. Okay. So we will get a plus b dy by dx is equals to dv by dx. Or I can write dy by dx would be, from here dy by dx would be 1 upon b dv by dx minus a. Okay, so यहाँ से we will get dy by dx equals to 1 upon b dv by dx minus a. So what we can write? I can write v1 upon b dv by dx minus a. This would be equals to v plus c upon lambda v plus c1. Or I can write this would be equals to dv by dx. Now this equation we have reduced to variable separable form, and once it is reduced to variable separable form, तो इसको solve करना तो अब easy है, हम सभी solve कर सकते हैं. So Now everyone knows that if we have an equation of this form, तो इसे variable separable form, इसे solve कैसे करना है, how to reduce it to homogeneous equation form. If the two equations are consistent, so substitute x by x plus h and y by y plus k such that h and k satisfy these two conditions, and using this we can convert this equation to homogeneous form. And if the two equations are inconsistent, that is we have a case of something this type, then this equation can be easily solved using variable separable form. Directly हम इस equation को variable separable form में reduce कर सकते हैं, and upon integration we can solve the equation. तो सभी को समझ में आया how can we reduce any equation to homogeneous equation form? These are the two concepts. अगर इक्वेशन इनकंसिस्टेंट हो तो इस अप्रोच को फॉलो करो, और अगर इक्वेशन कंसिस्टेंट हो तो इस अप्रोच को फॉलो करो, और अगर इनकंसिस्टेंट हो तो फिर इस अप्रोच को फॉलो करो. थ्योरी सभी को समझ में आई. सो लेट अस सॉल्व सम इलस्ट्रेशंस बेस्ड अपॉन इट. ये वाला साइड से मैंने नोट डाउन कर लिया. कैन आई इरेज? ओके. हैज एवरीवन नोटेड डाउन दिस साइड? परफेक्ट. सो क्वेश्चन लिखिए. Let us say we have a differential equation of the form x plus 2y minus 1 into dx. This guy is equals to x plus 2y plus 1 into dy. We have to find the solution of this differential equation. So let us see what this differential equation is. यहाँ से again write dy by dx. This guy is going to be equals to x plus 2y minus 1 upon x plus 2y plus 1. This is what I can write from here. As we know dy by dx is equals to x plus 2y minus 1 upon x plus 2y plus 1. Now this equation is not in homogeneous equation form, but we see this above, these two equations are inconsistent because 1 upon 1 is equals to 2 upon 2. A upon E1 is equals to B upon V1. So what I can say from here is that these two equations are inconsistent. Inconsistent है मतलब हमारी second वाली approach जब भी हमने discuss की थी, we have to substitute x plus 2y as B. है ना? Perfect. Once again, we know that these two equations are inconsistent. Inconsistent है, so हमारी फर्स्ट वाली सेकेंड वाली अप्रोच फॉलो करेंगे होमोजेनस इक्वेशन की. क्वेश्चन लिखिए. लेट अस से वी हैव अ डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन ऑफ द फॉर्म x प्लस 2y माइनस 1 इंटू dx. दिस गाय इज इक्वल्स टू x प्लस 2y प्लस 1 इंटू dy. And we have to solve this differential equation. So let us write this differential equation first. यहाँ से I can write dy by dx is going to be equals to x plus 2y minus 1 upon x plus 2y plus 1. Is this a homogeneous differential equation? I'll say not, because this is not a function of y by x. अब देखते हैं कि क्या जो न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में इक्वेशंस है वो आपस में कंसिस्टेंट है क्या नहीं. So what I can see is from here a upon a1 is 1 upon 1. This is equals to b upon v1 which is equals to 2 upon 2. Which means the above two equations are inconsistent. इसका मतलब हम सेकेंड अप्रोच फॉलो करेंगे जो भी अभी हमने डिस्कस की थी. सेकेंड अप्रोच क्या कह रही थी कि सब्स्टिट्यूट x plus 2y is equals to v. This was our second approach. So let us say x plus 2y is v. So from here I can write 1 plus 2 dy by dx is going to be equals to my dv by dx. Okay, or I can write dv by dx is equals to dy by dx would be equals to dv by dx minus 1 upon 1 by 2. So let us substitute this here. So I can write v minus 1 upon v plus 1. This guy would be equals to dv by dx minus 1 into 1 by 2. Or I can write 2v minus 1 upon 2v minus 2 upon v plus 1 is going to be equals to dv by dx plus 1. अब इस इक्वेशन को हम वेरिएबल सेपरेबल फॉर्म में आसानी से रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं. हाउ विल वी राइट? वील राइट 2v minus 2 upon v plus 1 plus v plus 1, this is equals to dv by dx. Or again write 3v minus 1 upon v plus 1, this is equals to dv by dx, or dx is equals to dv upon v plus 1 upon 3v minus 1. So we'll integrate on both the sides because this equation has been now reduced to variable separable form. और reduce करके जो भी मिलेगा that would be our solution. Let us try to integrate it. We'll get x is equals to integration of 3v plus 3 minus 4 upon 3v minus 1 into dv. Again this as x is equals to 1 minus 4 upon 3v minus 1 integration dv, and this would be equals to v minus 4 upon 3 ln 3v minus 1 plus c is equals to x. So this is the solution for our differential equation. सभी को समझ में आया? जस्ट दैट हमें क्या चेक करना है नाउ? पहले हम क्या चेक करते थे कि इक्वेशन डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन होमोजेनियस इक्वेशन है कि नहीं. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू चेक इज कि इस इक्वेशन को डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन फॉर्म में जब हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे, सो वी हैव टू सी इस इक्वेशन को जब हम होमोजेनियस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो हमें देखना है कि न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में जो दो इक्वेशंस है वो कंसिस्टेंट है या इनकंसिस्टेंट है. इनकंसिस्टेंट है दैट इज दिस केस, तो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल सब्स्टिट्यूट दिस गाय एज v, and upon substituting we will solve the question. Now एक और क्वेश्चन देखते हैं जिसमें we will see that the above two equations are inconsistent. That is the first case. और देखते हैं कि उस केस में हम इक्वेशंस को किस तरह से सॉल्व करेंगे. सबसे पहले आप इस प्रॉब्लम को नोट डाउन कर लीजिए, then we will discuss the second type of problem in this. सभी इस क्वेश्चन को पहले नोट डाउन कर लीजिए. Now let us solve the next set of problem in which the equation in numerator and denominator would be consistent. That is जिसमें हम first वाला केस अप्लाई करेंगे. So write down the problem. Let us say we have a problem. We have differential equation of the form 2x plus 3y plus 4 into dy is equals to x plus 2y plus 3 dx. So हमारे पास ये differential equation है and we have to solve this differential equation using reducible to homogeneous differential equation form. So we can write dy by dx, this guy from here would be x plus 2y plus 3 upon 2x plus 3y plus 4. Now I know that 1 upon 2, that is a upon e1, is not equals to b upon e1, which is 2 upon 3. So above two equations are consistent. That is, the equation in numerator and denominator are consistent. Now what is the approach to solve this type of questions? We have to substitute x by x plus h and y by y plus k, such that ah, that is h plus bk, that is 2k plus c is going to be 0, and a1h, which is 2h, plus b1k, which is 3k, plus c1, which is 4, is going to be equals to 0. So we have h plus 2k plus 3 equals to 0 and 2h plus 3k plus 4 equals to 0. अब मुझे सॉल्व करके बताइए h और k की वैल्यूज क्या मिलेगी हमें यहाँ से. What you can write from here is that 2h plus 4k plus 6 would be 0. So I'll get h is equals to, and we have 2h plus 3k plus 4 equals to 0. So we'll get we'll get k equals to minus 2 from here. Solve करके what we got, k equals to minus 2. And what would be h? h is going to be equals to 1. इस equation पे k equals to minus 2 substitute करेंगे तो we'll get h equals to 1. So from here I know h equals to 1 and k is equals to minus 2. So मेरी equation क्या बन जाएगी? मेरी equation in this case would be now dy by dx is equals to x plus 2y upon 2x plus 3y, such that x is equals to capital X plus h, which is 1, and y is equals to y minus 2. Y minus 2. This is what we have here. So what I can see here is this equation has now reduced to homogeneous equation form. I have dy by dx equals to x upon 2y upon 2x plus 3y, and this equation is now reduced to homogeneous equation form. अब homogeneous equation form में reduce हो गई तो solve करने का standard तरीका use करते हैं. I can write dy by dx is equals to 1 plus 2 y by x upon 2 plus 3 y by x. ठीक है, let us say y by x is v. So I can write y is equals to vx or dy by dx. This guy would be equals to dv by dx into x plus v. Substituting the same here, I get v plus dv by dx into x. This guy is equals to 1 plus 2v upon 2 plus 3v, or this would be equals to 1 plus 2v minus 2v minus 3v square upon 2 plus 3v. So I get my dv by dx into capital X. This would be 1 minus 3v square upon 2 plus 3v. Or in order to solve this equation, how will you solve this equation? I can write 2 plus 3v upon 1 minus 3v square into dv is equals to dx upon x. Perfect. इसे हम कैसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं? 2 upon 1 minus 3v square plus 3v upon 1 minus 3v square. This into dv. This is equals to dx upon x. Now this equation has reduced to variable separable form. अब इसे इंटीग्रेट करते हैं. इंटीग्रेट करने के लिए what we can do? This equation I can write as 2 upon 3 इस इक्वेशन को मैं लिख सकती हूँ इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 1 upon a square minus x square. This I can write as this one I can write as 1 upon minus 2 into minus 6v upon 1 minus 3v square, and this is ln x plus c. This one we can write as 1 upon a square minus x square का इंटीग्रेशन होता है 1 upon a ln x minus a upon x plus a. So this would be 2 upon 3 root 3 ln a minus x upon a plus x. तो root 3 minus v upon root 3 plus v minus 1 by 2 ln 1 minus 3v square. This is equals to ln x plus c. Let us say this is ln c. Now we have to solve this equation, and whatever result we will get upon solving is going to be the solution of our differential equation. Now here what is v? V in this case is equals to y by x. And what is y? Y I know is small y minus 2 upon x is x plus 1. So v is equals to y minus 2 upon x plus 1. सो v की इस वैल्यू को इस इक्वेशन में सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देंगे, एंड अपॉन सब्स्टिट्यूशन द वैल्यू विल गेट is going to be the solution of our differential equation. तो सभी को समझ में आया how to solve equations reducible to homogeneous equation form? If equation is reducible to homogeneous equation form, then it would be always in the form of ax plus by upon c divided by a1x plus b1y plus c1. और इस इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करने का क्या तरीका है? पहले चेक करो कि न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर्स में जो इक्वेशन है वो कंसिस्टेंट है या नहीं है. अगर कंसिस्टेंट है तो देन सब्स्टिट्यूट x by x plus h and y by y plus k such that न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में जो कांस्टेंट टर्म्स उसके बाद मिलेगी वो जीरो हो जाए. और अगर ये इक्वेशन इनकंसिस्टेंट है तो हम डायरेक्टली वेरिएबल सेपरेबल फॉर्म से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. इसलिए हमने एग्जांपल्स भी देख लिए हैं. दिस इज एन इलस्ट्रेशन बेस्ड अपॉन when the equations in numerator and denominator are consistent, so that we substitute x by x plus h and y by y plus k. और इससे पहले जो हमने एग्जांपल देखा था that was equation based upon such the case in which the equation in numerator and denominator are inconsistent. तो सभी को समझ में आया how to solve equations reducible in homogeneous equation form? तो अभी तक हमारे 4 फॉर्म्स कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं. वेरिएबल सेपरेबल, रिड्यूसिबल टू वेरिएबल सेपरेबल, homogeneous equation form and reducible to homogeneous equation form. Now let us discuss the next form which is linear differential equation form. आप सभी इसको नोट डाउन कर लीजिए. Then we will discuss our next form which is linear differential equation form.